Hello everybody. Now we will discuss the mensuration is there. इस mensuration में पहले हम discuss करेंगे perimeter and the area. What is the perimeter? Means the perimeter is the distance around a closed figure. Any closed figure is given. For example, suppose this is your closed figure. ABCD is a closed figure. This is. Then the perimeter of this one will be equal to the distance around a closed figure. This is the distance. Means AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. That will be your perimeter. So perimeter will be equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. That is your outer one. That is the perimeter of this one. If we talk about the area is the region occupied by the closed figure. Any closed figure is there. Suppose this is your closed figure. This is the area which is occupied by this closed figure. That is the region. That is the area of this one. You can say. If your figure suppose this one, then the area, the region which is enclosed between this one only. So this is the area of this closed figure is there only. Now we will discuss about the different shapes and their areas and the perimeter is there. So first is this one. We are taking the rectangle. Rectangle क्या होता है? जिसकी opposite side equal है. This is length and breadth. Opposite side equal and each and every angle should be equal to 90. So that is known as a rectangle. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Rectangle. Area of rectangle होता है length into breadth. Length is multiplied with the breadth, you will get the area. And if you want to know the perimeter will be equal to क्या होगा? L plus B plus L plus B. So that can be written for the own convenience. P is equal to 2 in bracket L plus B. So this is the perimeter of the rectangle is there. यहाँ important point ये है कि L and B should have the same unit. If the L is given in centimeter, then B must also be in centimeter. If it is given in kilometer, then B should also be in kilometer. Unit should be the same. Suppose this is given in kilometer और ये centimeter में, तो either you are supposed to change this kilometer into the centimeter or centimeter into kilometer. Unit same होना चाहिए. Now this is your square. All the sides are equal. All the sides are equal, but every angle is 90. This is known as square. So area of the square होता है side into side. Side into side means side square you can say. Perimeter means sum of all the sides. This plus this plus this. So that is 4 into side. So if you know the length of the side of a square, you can find out the perimeter is also and the area. Triangle. Area of the triangle is 1/2 base into corresponding altitude. Always you should be very careful. Corresponding altitude. Corresponding altitude means suppose BC I am taking as a base. Then perpendicular is this one. This is the corresponding altitude. BC, so area will be equal to, if we talk about here, so area will be equal to 1/2 into base BC into this H. You cannot say कि area is equal to 1/2. You are taking BC as a base. आप BC को तो base लेते हैं और perpendicular अगर आपने यहाँ से ले लिया this one, that is you can say the H1. This is not equal to, it will not give you the area of this triangle. अगर perpendicular ये ले रहे हैं तो corresponding this one, this side you are supposed to take as a base. Corresponding altitude means जो base है perpendicular उसी पर fall होना चाहिए. तो you should be very careful. Perimeter you want to calculate sum of all these sides. इन सबको ऐड करिए, you will get the perimeter. Parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal as well as parallel. So area of the parallelogram is base into height. Base multiplied with this height, you will get the area of this parallelogram. Actual में ये अगर ध्यान से देखा जाए, look at here. This is the area of the base into height. Generally we are saying for the area of the triangle. So this is half. So what exactly we are getting? कि अगर मैं इस diagonal को join कर दूँ, so you will get the two triangles. One of the triangle is this one. Another triangle is this one is there. और दोनों triangle का area equal होगा because the diagonal divided parallelogram into two equal parts. तो इसका अगर मैं area निकालूँ तो 1/2 base into height. इसका निकालें 1/2 base into height from here only. You will add them, so direct you will get this one. आपको ये मिलेगा. So direct you can apply. Otherwise separately you can do that. Circle. Area of the circle is pi r square, where d is equal to 2 into r. Means diameter is equal to twice of the radius. If you know the radius, you can calculate the diameter. If the sometime diameter given है, you can calculate the radius because r is equal to, you can say d over 2. You will get the radius. And if you know the radius, you can find the area simply by using the pi r square. And circumference. Circumference means this one, outer boundary. Outer boundary. That is 2 pi r. If you know the radius, put the value pi, solve it, you will get the circumference. This is your semicircle. Area of the semicircle is half of the area of the circle. Half है ये, this one. And perimeter की बात करेंगे तो perimeter means this outer boundary, remember this one. So that is, this is your pi r, this is your pi r, and this is r plus r. So this is 2r. So the perimeter will be pi r plus 2r in case of the semicircle is there. अगर मैं केवल perimeter circumference की बात करेंगे तो ये this one portion will come, only the pi r will be there. So in case if you are saying the perimeter means, remember, around a closed figure. Perimeter is the distance around a closed figure. तो पूरा distance आएगा, this plus this one is there. Likewise, similarly, one more point you can take. This is a square. If all the sides are equal and all the angle are 90, that is the square is there. लेकिन only the sides are equal, सभी side equal है, and that is known as a rhombus. That is known as a rhombus. तो if we talk about the area of this rhombus, अगर हम area of rhombus की बात करते हैं, and we know the diagonal, अगर हमको इसकी diagonal पता है d1, इसका diagonal दूसरा d2 है, तो area of a rhombus होता है 1/2 d1 into d2. See, have a look. Yes, now we are I'm taking the question based on the area and the perimeter is there. This is exercise 11.1 NCERT. Question number 1 is there. What is the question number 1? There is a square and a rectangular field with measurement as given in this figure have the same perimeter. Means the perimeter of this square. Perimeter of a square is equal to perimeter of rectangle. This is already given, but he's saying you have to find which field has a larger area. Which field has a larger area? तो हम इसका एरिया कैसे निकालेंगे? इसका एरिया ऑफ द स्क्वायर यू कैन कैलकुलेट, नो डाउट एट ऑल, बिकॉज यू नो द साइड 60 है तो स्क्वायर है, ऑल द साइड्स विल बी द इक्वल, सो देन यू कैन कैलकुलेट द एरिया. बट हियर यू कैन नॉट कैलकुलेट द एरिया ऑफ दिस रेक्टेंगुलर फील्ड until unless you don't know the breadth. You must know the breadth is there only. So to find the breadth here only, हमको क्या दिया हुआ है? This is already given. They have the same perimeter. The perimeter of the square is already given. The perimeter of this rectangle. तो perimeter of square क्या होगा? 4 into side, that is 60. Direct I'm doing 4 into side. Perimeter of rectangle क्या होता है? 2 length plus breadth. Because the perimeter of rectangle होता है 2l plus b. This is perimeter of square is 4 into side. So directly you can apply this here only. You can calculate this one. 240 is equal to 160 plus 2b. You can transpose this here. Transposed. So here you will get 2b is equal to 240 minus 160. That is equal to 80. This is. So from here what you will get? B is equal to 80 over 2, that is 40 meter. So the breadth is equal to the 40 meter. हमने क्या किया? Simple perimeter of the square, that is 4 into side, is equal to 2l plus b. Length is already given 80. Calculate this one only. 160 into 2b multiply 4 6 24. 240 you can transpose. So 240 minus 160, that is 80, divided by 2 you will get b. So you know the b is there. Now we want to compare their areas. Now you can calculate the area of square as well as area of rectangle. अब देखिए area of square is, you know, side square and side is equal to 60 square. So that is 60 into 60, that is 3600 meter square. So this is the area of this one. So the area of this square is, that is 3600 meter square. This is the area of this square. Now similarly आप rectangle का निकाल सकते हैं, that is L into B. So area of rectangle, that is equal to L into B, that is length is 80 and breadth is 40. So this is 3200 meter square. So area of this one is what you are getting, that is 3200 meter square. Which one is larger, has the larger area? Square. So you can see therefore square has larger area. So if you know the formula, then directly you can solve this one only. ऐसे one more question from the same exercise, question number 3. This is the shape of the garden is given. This is in the shape of the rectangle. और इसके जो end है, they are in the form of the semicircle. This length here to here means you can say here to here. This is given 20 meter and this is given 7. This one. you want to find out the area as well as the perimeter. See now, you want to calculate the area. So this is 7 is working as a diameter. So what will be the radius? R. This d by 2, that is 7 by 2. This is equal to 3.5 meter. So your radius is here only 3.5 meter. So this is also the 3.5 meter. This one. Now if we talk about this length only, this one, अगर हम इस length की बात करें तो देखिए, this is your 20. 3.5 we will subtract from here. 3.5 from this side only. So 20 minus 3.5. 20 minus 3.5 minus 3.5. That will give you this one. So 30. 20 minus 7. 20 minus 7. So that is equal to 13 meter. This is your the inner, this one only, and this is your 7. Now you can calculate the area first. If we talk about the area, देखिए area क्या होगा? Area for the own convenience मैं इसको number देता हूँ 1, and this is 2, and this is 3. So area of figure 1 plus area of figure 2 plus area of figure 3. Simple. Main important है to find the radius is here only, because this is given 7. So radius will be half of this one. That is, this is working as a diameter for the semicircle. अगर हम इसको ध्यान से देखें तो ये क्या पूरा ऐसे सर्कल है लाइक, but it is semicircle is there only, so this is a diameter. You know, yes. So A1 is 1 by 2 pi r square. This is 3.5 square. Area of this one, this length into breadth. This is 13 into 7. This is your length is 13 and breadth is 7. Because this is a rectangle. ये क्या rectangle है. Similarly here जो इसका है वो इतना होगा 1 by 2 pi 3.5 whole square. देखिए 1 by 2 pi r square, 1 by 2 pi r square करेंगे तो you will get pi r square 3.5 whole square, and this is 91. You can solve this one. Pi is 22/7. This is 3.5 into 3.5 plus 91. For the own convenience, what we will do? इसको डेसिमल को यहाँ से रिमूव कर दीजिए. This is 10 and 10 is here. 7 5s are 5 2s are 2 11s are 5 2 5 7. So here you are getting 77/2 plus 91. So this is 3 8.5. 2 3s are 6. 2 8s are 16.5 plus 91. You can add them. This one you will get 129.5 meter square. This is the area of this plot is there only. Now we will talk about the perimeter. Then how can perimeter? Perimeter means outer boundary. तो perimeter देखिए ध्यान से क्या होगा, ये this one plus this, then this, then this one. That will be your perimeter is here only. Have a look. Okay, now इस फिगर को मैंने again we have drawn here only. Now we want to calculate the perimeter. Perimeter means the outer boundary. So this one from here we will start, that is DEA. This is the just like arc is there, plus this length AB plus BFC, this one plus this CD. That will give you the perimeters there. Now how can you calculate the perimeter of this one? This is your semicircle. So perimeter of the semicircle, that is circumference of the semicircle is, we will not include this side. Remember this one, this is inside. ये अंदर है garden ऐसे. We will not include this. So this one is there, pi r. R is 3.5 plus EB. This is 13. This one VFC is also pi r. That is 3.5 because radius is 3.5 plus CD is 13. You can calculate this one. See now, this is pi into 3.5. So this is 2 pi into 3.5 plus 13 is 26. You can, this is 2 into 27 or 22/7 into 3.5 plus 26. देखिए this is gone. You will get 26 plus 22. This one, because 5.5 into 2 you will get 1 is there, multiplied by 20, 2 is 22. So this is equal to 48 meter. So this will be the perimeter of this garden. Have a look. Okay, now there is a question is there. The flooring tile has the shape of parallelogram. The tiles का जो shape है that is in the shape of the parallelogram is there like this one, and whose base is 24. This base is 24 centimeter, and the corresponding height. Corresponding height means the base you are taking this 24. The height on this base only. This is given 10 centimeter. This is the shape of the tile is there. That is in the shape of the parallelogram. Tile क्या parallelogram की shape में. What question is saying? How many such tiles are required to cover the floor of area? This one. कोई भी एक area है. We don't know the shape of that one. कुछ भी हो सकता है shape. Like it may be this one. The area of this is given 1080 मीटर स्क्वायर. इसमें क्या है? ये टाइल्स हमको ऐसे इसमें बिछाना है. टाइल्स को हमको ऐसे बिछाना है. तो how many tiles are required to cover this whole area? To cover this whole area that we want to know. तो how can calculate? अगर मैं एरिया यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट द एरिया ऑफ द वन टाइल. एक टाइल का एरिया निकाल कर इफ यू डिवाइड दिस एरिया ऑफ दिस होल यू विल गेट द नंबर ऑफ टाइल्स. एक टाइल के एरिया से अगर इफ यू डिवाइड द एरिया ऑफ दिस होल यू विल गेट द नंबर ऑफ टाइल्स. तो यू मस्ट कैलकुलेट द एरिया ऑफ द वन टाइल फर्स्ट. सो सॉल्यूशन द एरिया ऑफ वन टाइल that is equal to base because it is in the shape of the parallelogram. Parallelogram की shape में तो area क्या होता है base into this one. But remember here the area is given in meter square. This is given in centimeter. तो you are supposed to change. इसको change करेंगे तो क्या आएगा 10/100 that is 0.1 मीटर. इसको करेंगे 24/100 that is 0.24 मीटर. This one you are supposed to change their unit क्योंकि सेंटीमीटर में this is given in meter is there. So this area will be base into corresponding altitude. Base is 0.24 and this is into 0.1. This is your area of one tile. To find the number of tiles which we require to cover this area, इस पूरे एरिया को एक टाइल के एरिया से डिवाइड करें, you will get the number of tiles. So number of tiles will be equal to area of floor divided by area of one tile. So area of floor is already given, that is 1080. This is your 0.24 into 0.1. You can remove this decimal point 1080 into this one can be written 100 into 1 10 over this is 24 into 1. इसको हमने किया 24/100 किया तो 100 will go in the numerator. This is 1 over because see now 0.1 means 1/10. 0.24 means 24/10. So this 100 will go in the numerator is there. Now you can solve this one is there only. 12 2 ja and this is 9 ja 90 and this is 245. So this is you will get 45,000 tiles you require to cover this area. Have a look.